Hello again to another tutorial session on this channel, Joe Math Simplified. And today I want to quickly show you a quicker and faster method in obtaining the determinants of any 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so the name of this method is called the sarrus method. Okay, so the sarrus method is actually a very quick method which we use to obtain determinants of 3 by 3 matrix. And the method just goes like this. So I have a matrix written here on the board, and of course it is a 3 by 3 matrix. I am expected to obtain the determinants of this matrix. So I just solve like so. So I repeat the matrix, the coefficients of this matrix. So I write it down, being 3, 2, minus 1, 4, 1, 3, 6, minus 1, 5. What I do next is I rewrite the first two columns of this matrix. So this is the first column, this is the second column. So I will rewrite that two columns. So I rewrite 3, 2, minus 1, 4, 1, and 3. Now, after rewriting the first two columns of the 3 by 3 matrix, what I do is I draw a line showing the diagonals of this matrix. So what I'm just talking about is I draw this line, which is one diagonal of this matrix. I draw another one like this. I draw another one just like this. I do the same thing in the other direction. So I have a diagonal that goes like this, one that goes like this, and the last one that goes this way. Okay, so all I do is to try to obtain the multiple of the numbers on this diagonal. I do the same for these three diagonals. I add them up and I subtract from the product of these numbers on this diagonal. If I take that subtraction, that result is always the determinant of the matrix. And this is what I'm talking about. So I look at this diagonal. I obtain the multiple of the numbers on this diagonal. So that becomes 3 times 1 times 5. That is 15. So I add 15 plus the next diagonal, 4 times minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 1 is now 4. So this diagonal gives me 4. I look at this diagonal, I take that multiple again. So 6 times 2 times 3, actually that gives me 6 times 6. So that is 36 plus 36. Now I am done with this diagonal. So I move to the next diagonal. I subtract. So the first diagonal this way is 6 times 1, 6. Then 6 times minus 1, minus 6. So this is minus 6 plus. I take the product of the numbers on this diagonal. 3 times minus 1, minus 3 times 3, minus 9. So this is plus minus 9 plus. I take the product of the numbers on the diagonal. So 5 times 2, 10, 10 times 4, 40. Okay, so what I do next is I add this, and I subtract. Okay, so 15 plus 4 is actually 19. 19 plus 36 gives me 55. Minus, okay, this is minus 6 minus 9, that gives me minus 17. Minus 17 plus 40 gives me 25. So this is 25. Okay, so all I do is I take the subtraction of these two numbers. So 55 minus 25 ends up as 30. And that is it. That means the determinant of this matrix is actually just 30. And you can see that is a actually faster method of obtaining determinants instead of going through the longer cofactor method. Okay, so this is actually what I have for you in today's lesson. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified when I drop similar content just like this. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.